Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Studios channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of kitchen gas hob design ideas. The modern kitchens are equipped with advanced and voguish appliances to make them look ultra stylish and work super efficient. Following the trend, the built-in hobs is capturing a valuable space in every Indian kitchen. This stylish glass hob not only enhances the interiors of your kitchen, but the durability and easy handling makes it a thing to possess. But, this being a concept, the biggest disadvantage which built-in hobs have faced is that these hobs are generally equipped with single ring of flame, sealed burners which give a low flame, so it takes longer time to cook in comparison to the normal Indian burners in the normal freestanding gas stoves. Built-in hobs lend a seamless look to the kitchen and are a great way to amp up the style quotient for your modular kitchen. The gas pipes and electrical wires are concealed well. If traditional stainless steel is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think cooktops, then think again. Some of the new age cooktops are sleek and go well with modern kitchen interiors. Some of them have the control knobs on the sides, which make it look quite modular. Different types of kitchen gas hob designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.